Everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar Yadav. So basically, I created a personal habit and streak tracker where user can create habits and maintain their daily habits to see what are the progress of their daily habits, and also they can maintain streaks. So as soon as we open the application, we will get directed to the login page, as you can see here. So if we are already not a registered user, we can click on create account, and from here we can create a new account by entering username, email address and password. So let's sign in with a test email, test credentials. Let's click on sign in, and as you can see, we are into the application. So first of all, let's explore the create habit page. So basically, here in this page we can create habit by entering the habit name, description, and choosing which category it belongs to, and then setting a frequency, that whether we want to track this habit daily or not. So let's create a sample one, random, just something random. Let's choose a category, then frequency, let's keep it like that. Now as we click on create habit, we can see that a new habit is created here. So basically, this is my habits page where all the habits of a particular user will be getting displayed. As you can see, there are so many, and currently we have also a pagination feature which will be displaying 8 per page. For example, if we click on next, we can see the rest of the habits here, and also we can change this layout by clicking on this to like this, and if we click on one, we can go on to the previous page. So here also some filters. For example, if we search, let's search jump, as you can see it is getting searched. Suppose we want to search for any category, let's clear the filters first. Then I want to search for course. As you can see, it is getting filtered. Now let's sort it. Suppose I want to sort with longest streak. Then as you can see, the longest streak is getting sorted by the longest streak, 1 1 1 0 0 0. And also by clicking on this, we can mark any habit as completed. So we can mark the habit as completed only one time a day. As you can see, a message is getting displayed. Let's mark some habit which has not been marked recently, like this. As you can see, it's marked completed. Now we cannot mark it twice in the same day, and it will get and the streak will get increased. Now it will get again unmarked the next day. And let's visit dashboard page. So basically, here we can see the complete statistics. For example, total habits, active streaks, longest streak, total completions, completed today, completion rate, and how many streaks are going. And also from here we can delete the account. And also I forgot one thing, that at any time by clicking on this eye icon, we can view the complete detail of that particular habit. By clicking on this, we can edit any particular, for example, let's update it to this. As you can see, it got updated, and when clicking on deleted, it will delete that particular habit. As you can see, it got deleted from here. And if I click on sign out, then the user will get logged out. Let's see the complete commit history for this project. So basically, I started by setting up the project structure. After that, set up the Express server and connected the MongoDB database. After that, implemented the user authentication and account management endpoints like login, sign up, delete account, get user detail, etc. Then finalized the habit model with proper validations, owner and streak tracking, and then started creating endpoints for the habit, for creating a habit, editing a habit, deleting a habit, getting a habit by ID and all. and also added the pagination, searching and sorting, filtering all in the server side. Like here I started implementing the endpoint one by one. Like here, fetching a single habit by ID, then mark a habit as complete, then to update a habit, then to delete a habit, then to fetch the habit statistics, then to fetch the user's habit summary, then here completed the backend, and then started with front end folder structure. After that, created the auth context for managing the user authentication in a more centralized way and a manageable way, and then implemented the app routing with protected and public routes. Then started creating the components and pages one by one. For example, first created the header and footer, then login register, then habit form, then habit page, and made use of the backend endpoints we created. So all these endpoints are properly tested in Postman, and at last created a proper test for testing the edge cases of the application. So implemented the integration test, unit test, and end-to-end test, and all the tests passed successfully. Thank you.